Let's get to our final trade of the day. Joining me is Paul Foster of Trade Alert here to talk about what the options market is predicting about Micron earnings coming up. And as you know, this has been a hot stock.
Yes, it is, Ange. Those earnings are out due on Wednesday. They're looking for moving about 8.5%. That June weekly 58 straddle move of 8.5%, and the June calls are active.
The calls are active. Now that's not unusual considering the stock has been going higher. So people want to get ahead of that trade and get into those call positions thinking that Micron could go higher.
Yep. So the call put ratio is 3 calls to 1 put. Some of those active calls in those June weeklies are the June 60s and June 62s. Obviously the stock about 3 months ago was a $65 stock. Here we are at 58. So the stock has some price movement in it.
There's some price movement in it. And why is Micron so popular right now, do you think?
Hey, the spreads are tight, 1 or 2 cents wide, and a lot of traders have had success in the past with making money on some of their spreads. That's what they're looking for here.
Fundamentally, what do traders like about Micron?
Hey, everyone has a handset. There's a lot of data centers that Google and Apple are putting up. There's a demand for these silicon chips in the future, and obviously the cars will have chips in them also.
The self-driving cars especially. So do you see any hedging in the market yet on Micron ahead of earnings?
Hey, those August puts, there's some August 55 puts that are active. Those volatilities are a lot lower than those near-term months, so they're more attractive. Those volatilities are about 50. We'll see how much more activity occurs in front of those earnings on Wednesday.
So people do want to have a little bit of a brace just in case the stock gets knocked down. Historically, does Micron tend to tumble on earnings?
Yeah, last earnings cycle, the stock moved all the way down to 48 after those earnings cycles. Hey, it only makes sense for hedgers and spreaders and investors to hedge some of their positions, and you can do it with calls and puts.
Thanks so much for coming on the show. Thank you for the Trader Talk, Paul.
Welcome, Angie.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.